In this video, we'll demonstrate how to hide your likes on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to hide your likes on X, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Access X on your device, whether it's a phone or computer. This method works universally across different devices. Navigate to your X profile and click on the Likes section. Remember, your liked tweets can be viewed by anyone visiting your profile, including tweets liked by official X accounts. To hide your likes, you have two options. The first method involves making your Twitter account private. Here's how. On the Twitter timeline, access Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety and select Audience and Tagging. Turn on Protect Your Tweets. This action restricts who can view your liked tweets to only those who follow you. However, your followers will still have access to this information. Consider creating a separate Twitter account if you prefer complete privacy for your liked tweets. Access the Twitter timeline. Tap on the icon that represents a person with a plus icon and select Create New Account. Create an additional Twitter account that doesn't necessarily connect to your main identity. This separate account allows you to like tweets anonymously without affecting your primary account's visibility. By following these steps, you can effectively manage who can see the tweets you've liked, ensuring better privacy for your online activity. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.